usually when I've done that, I've picked one or the other. I've usually, and especially if I'm convinced that the equity is above zero, almost for sure, then of course the bonds are worth par. And so I think that the thing that Buffett says, rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two, don't forget rule number one. I think the most important thing in investing is, besides the patience, is to really, really focus on the downside. If you truly spend plenty of time thinking about what can go wrong, the upside will take care of itself. But you really want to spend a lot of time on what could go wrong and what could cause the business to suffer and such. So downside, spending time on the downside is a good thing.